If you want Grammarly AI to rewrite sentences for clarity, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step process to check your writing for AI and plagiarism, then rewrite flag sentences so they sound clearer, smoother, and more natural. This is especially helpful if you're polishing blog posts, essays, emails, social media captions, or any kind of content that needs to read better and feel more human. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Grammarly workspace or the browser window where your document is already being edited. To start with the review process, look at the bottom left corner of your browser window and find the green Fingerprint widget. This is Grammarly's authorship tracking tool, and it helps you understand how your text is being analyzed. Go ahead and click that green fingerprint icon to open the tracking options. From the pop-up menu, choose Check for AI and Plagiarism. Once you select that option, Grammarly will open your complete tracking report in a new tab. This report is usually color-coded, which makes it much easier to spot which parts of your writing may need attention. If something is flagged, don't worry, that does not mean your writing is bad. It simply means Grammarly is giving you a chance to improve clarity, adjust tone, or reduce repetitive phrasing. Now that you have your report, it's time to rewrite the flagged passages. Go back to your text and find the sentence or paragraph that Grammarly highlighted for you. Click and drag to highlight the flagged sentence or paragraph inside your text editor. Once it's selected, look to the left edge of the highlighted text block. You should see a floating blue menu bar appear beside your text. This little menu is where the rewriting tools live. Click on that floating blue menu bar and you'll see several options designed to help you improve the selected text. Depending on what you want to do, you can choose Rephrase, Improve It, or Translate. Rephrase is great when you want a new version of the same idea. Improve It is useful when you want the sentence to sound more polished or more professional. And Translate is there if you need to adapt the text into another language. If your goal is to remove robotic sounding patterns and make the sentence feel more natural, choose Humanise. This is one of the fastest ways to refresh awkward or stiff wording. Grammarly will instantly rewrite the selected text in a way that sounds smoother and more readable. This is especially useful if a sentence feels repetitive, overly formal, or just not quite right. Once Grammarly gives you the new version, review it carefully before you accept it. Make sure the meaning still matches what you wanted to say and check that the tone fits the rest of your writing. After that, click Insert or Swap to replace the flag text with the improved version. Insert is usually used when you want to place the new version into your document, while Swap replaces the original text directly. Either way, the goal is to make the edit fast and clean without having to rewrite everything manually. You can repeat this process for each flagged section in your document. Check the report, highlight the sentence, open the blue menu, choose the best rewriting option, and then insert the improved version. Over time, this becomes a very efficient workflow, especially if you're editing long documents or trying to make your writing clearer and easier to follow. A quick tip here, don't rely on the tool blindly. Always read the rewritten sentence out loud if you can. That helps you catch anything that sounds too formal, too generic, or slightly off. Grammarly is a powerful assistant, but your final judgment is what makes the writing truly strong. So to recap, the process is simple. Open the green fingerprint widget, check for AI and plagiarism, review the color-coded report, highlight the flagged text, use the blue menu to choose Rephrase, Improve It, Translate, or Humanise, and then click Insert or Swap to apply the new wording. That's how you can use Grammarly AI to rewrite sentences for clarity in just a few clicks. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.